In the last video, we completed the category. What I want you to work on this video is I want to give you a short assignment. I want you to replicate what we did with category in publisher and author. Now author will be tricky because there is date involved. But it should be pretty straightforward if you know the basics of ASP.NET Core. There is nothing different when it comes to EF Core. EF Core will remain same what you did with category for both publisher and author. Here when we edit or create a new author, I want a date picker using jQuery UI. So for that I will help you with the setup. Right here is the date picker and here is the source code what you have to do. But you just need the CDN.js for jQuery. So we'll copy this CDN, go back to our project, and we'll have to go to _layout. Right here where we have all of the scripts, we will add another script tag and we will have the source. We'll paste the link that we copied and we'll close this. We'll go back, we will copy the CSS for minified as well. Come back here and we'll do right here on the top, we will add link rel as style sheet and href, we'll paste it right here. So with that now you will have the date picker that you need in your index or upsert page. That being said, I've already done the coding for the view in the assets section. So if we open up the assets, right here you have the author index, author upsert, and we have the publisher index, publisher upsert. Before we use these files, let me go back and create the controllers. We have the category controller, we can copy and paste it 2 more times, and we'll change the name here to author controller. And the later one will change that to publisher controller. Let me copy the name here. Whoops, not cut. We'll copy this, go back in here and paste it. And we'll change the constructor name. We'll remove everything right here. We'll just have return view. Let me undo that. We'll just return back to the view. Oops, we don't need the multiples, so we can remove them altogether. Great, so this looks good. We have delete, upsert, get, post, and index, and right here we have the DB context. What I will do is I will just copy this, and I will paste this inside author as well. We'll go here all the way to the end, remove it, and we'll paste it. Rather than category, this will be author. Great. So with this we have both of the controllers, but right now these controllers are empty. We need to add all of the code with the EF code to retrieve the data, display, edit, or delete them. What we will do is we will just add the views for them. So right click, add view, razor view, and this looks good. It should create a new folder called author. We'll make sure that happens as well right here. Yep, it's inside author. We'll close this. We'll add the view for upsert. It should be again inside the author. Yep, that looks good. We'll close this. Publisher, let's add both the views. Add view, we'll go with the razor view. We'll close this. Great, we have a new folder publisher, and we will add the upsert view. Great, everything has been added. Now what we will do is we will go to our assets folder, and right here we have the author index. Let me copy the view code for author index, open this up, paste it here, and close it out. Next is the author upsert. We'll go back, copy this, and paste it right here. You can also see that in the author upsert, I have added the date picker. So you do not have to worry about that as well. Then we'll go to the publisher index. We'll copy this, paste it right here, and publisher upsert. We'll copy this and paste it right here. Once you do all that, build the project and there should not be any errors at all. Once you complete this, now comes the time for your assignment. Close all the document. What you have to do is you need to make sure author and publisher controller action methods are working and they will be exactly same as category if you get stuck. So it's time to practice the Entity Framework Core CRUD operations using our application DB context for both author as well as publisher. So finish that and I'll see you in the next video.